We're good.
Yeah.
But the
Alex.
third generation is split between doctors and
Alex.
Engineers. Yes.
My brother is an engineer,
Yeah.
architect, and my
This is you span law
Yes.
and you span business, engineering and business.
but
Very good.
as a family,
Yes.
it was on the legal or the advocate star. But even my father, one day told me, we have NGO also, I believe in NGO.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Your Excellency, I believe in God will bless us when we help people.
Yeah.
God is blessing us when our children.
So you all are trying to do some new things that
Yes, sir,
very good.
we're working on it.
And they certainly keep us more, what should I say, more entertained.
Yes.
You know, and I think that's
Let me step back a bit.
step back a bit, sure. All right.
Pull it a little bit on, a little bit stiff. Put it.
Pull it.
There you go. Good. Okay, great. All right.
This law was
Yes.
also in Babylon
Yes.
a few thousand years ago.
Yeah.
That the Iraqis were the first nation who put a laws. The first law that what is marriage, what is inheritance, how to transfer properties.
Yes. From one
It's
generation
called
to the next.
Hammurabi temple of laws.
Mm-hmm.
And all others are what the other civilization are. And I hope you like it and you find a place here in life valuable, so the husband will not treat her much more than he did. So they make it very hard for the men to do like this.
Yeah.
And I hope you like it. It's the Iraqi culture coming to Antigua,
Yes.
which I congratulate you for this heaven and earth.
Thank you very
It is
much.
really an asset.
Thank you very much. Donation to you as well on behalf of my wife and myself and the government house generally. And,
Thank you very much.
and,
Thank you very much.
and if you have a card inside which tells you what it is.
I will try to understand more.
Pleasure. Sure.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Thank you again.
Thanks.
Thank you.
They don't want to be in the pictures. They don't want to be in the pictures. Huh?
Famous.
I tell them I don't want to be in the pictures. No, I'm very
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, please stand for the entrance of His Excellency Sir Rodney Williams, Governor General of Antigua and Barbuda. President, good morning to everyone and welcome to the Government House. Today we're going to proceed with two aspects of the ceremony. First, we'll have the presentation of the ambassador instrument to the designated ambassador, Mr. Khalid Taha, by His Excellency, and then we'll have the handing over of the check for the restoration of Government House. By His full pleasure, ambassador. Sure. I'll ask His Excellency to do a brief welcome remark and an overview of the post-Joseph of ambassador and their expectations.
Very good morning, Mr. Jahan. Good morning to the staff. And to say a warm welcome is extended to you, sir, to Government House here in Antigua and Barbuda. And this morning I have the honor of conferring on you the appointment of Ambassador of Antigua to Iraq. And we are very happy to do this, judging from your background. I understand that you were an engineer. And apart from that, you're chairman of a group of companies which is involved in many commercial and economic activities in Iraq. And we here in Antigua and Barbuda, we have no natural resources. And we know that countries in the Middle East, you are blessed with natural resources. And so I think that this can be a mutually beneficial relationship in terms of all being able to benefit from your natural resources. And we have our human resources here in Antigua and Barbuda, and a country that is ripe for investment. It is our hope that you will represent Antigua and Barbuda with dignity and that you will use your initiative to source for us investors in that part of the world who will come to Antigua and invest, because it's one thing to source the investors, but the second thing is to get them to invest. I do believe that we have a body of concessions which we offer to investors, which is second to none. I recently read of an article where they were saying that our Citizens for Investment program is one of the best that there is, and I hope that you will find that so, and that investors from your part of the world will also find that to be the case. We certainly open you all with welcome arms once you can bring us some investments which are sustainable, because what we want for people is for them to have jobs so that they can enjoy a good quality life. And so in that regard, we welcome you to Antigua and Barbuda, and I want to say that I would be happy very shortly to confer you the position of ambassador for Antigua and Barbuda in Iraq.
Thank you. Yes, just to confirm, Your Excellency, I spend more time on effort to support Antigua as a very nice country that will encourage any investor from my country and other Arab countries and Middle East to come here and to invest in this country, which is really blessed by beauty, very nice people, and a nation that really worth much more than already invested. And again, thank you for your valuable time for serving. And I hope that in the next half year or 1 year, you will see what difference to the bridge to Iraq have happened here in the world. Thank you again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We'll now have the presentation of the instruments by His Excellency. I'll ask the designated ambassador to come forward.
Mr. Walid Khalid Issa Taha, in the exercise of the power vested in me, and by virtue of Section 101(2)(c) of the Constitution of Antigua and Barbuda, and acting in accordance with the advice of the Honorable Prime Minister of Antigua and Barbuda, I hereby appoint you, Walid Khalid Issa Taha, to hold the office of Ambassador to Iraq, with the powers, rights, privileges, and advantages of the said office, belonging or appertaining, and with effect from the 1st day of January 2015, given under my hand this 11th day of January 2015, in the 64th year of Her Majesty's reign. Congratulations to you, sir. And we can take a picture of it.
I need to set them up. Okay. Ready?